Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you a tour of nursery that contains rare, exotic, unique ornamental indoor and outdoor plants. I also show you some winter flowering plants, permanent flowering plants and permanent plants. So let's get started. It's National Nursery. Ornamental cabbage pink, salvia, rupees 25 here. Dahlia. It's a very beautiful winter flowering plant. It comes in many different varieties. Chrysanthemum, croton plants, palm varieties, zandu plants, poinsenttia, calatheas. Very rare, very beautiful, very unique plant. Boston fern in hanging baskets. Poinsettia, a static lily, Drawft Moria, Paniculata large, Drawft Kamini Bonsai. Very unique, very beautiful plant. You can also see the pots. They are also extremely fabulous, stunning, beautiful. Poinsettia. Prices are also mentioned. You can also check it out. This is Schefflera or umbrella tree, rubber plants, air purifying plants, philodendron. Your philodendron is 150 rupees. cactus, Boston fern in hanging baskets. Best plant for hanging baskets. Calatheas, very unique foliage, very beautiful plant. Must add this plant in your collection. Petunias, Kalanchoe flowers, the hybrid Kalanchoes comes in many different colors of flowers. Dracena limelight. The foliage is very unique and very beautiful. Syngonium pink. Cypress, 150 rupees. Cypress green. More punky or thuja plants. Beautiful outdoor plants. Winter flowering plants. This is danthus. These are winter flowering plants. Dahlia flowers. The flowers are extremely beautiful. It's one of my favorite. You can also buy dahlias and add in your collection this winter. You can choose any one of your favorite color, white, pink. Ficus bonsai. It's triostar. The plant is very beautiful. Zenendu plants. peace lily, air purifying plant, best indoor plant. Drawft morae paniculata large Drawft Kamini bonsai. ZZ plants, prayer plants. Must add this plant in your collection. They are very beautiful, very unique. Aglonema. This aglonema comes in many different varieties. These are air purifying plants and very easy to grow plants. Again, aglonema. This is a different variety of aglonema. Kamini, Drawft Kamini bonsais. Very unique, very rare, very pretty. Ficus bonsai plants. And thorium plants. These are tropical plants. If you want to add a tropical vibe in your house, in your garden, you can add these plants. They're very unique. Now, exotic succulents, exotic, rare, unique succulents are available here. The prices are also mentioned on the succulents. Succulents, any plant with thick, fleshy tissue adapted to water storage. Some succulent, example cacti, store water only in the stem and have no leaves, whereas others store water mainly in the leaves. If you are a succulent lover, you can add any one in your collection. You can buy bunny ear cactus, moon cactus, air purifying indoor plants, poinsenttia, Christmas plants. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.